In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for task tracking. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple system to keep your work organized and visible. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. Once the site loads, sign into your Airtable account so you can access your workspace and save your progress. From the home screen, create a new base, or choose a task tracker template if you want a quick head start. Templates come pre-loaded with useful fields and views, and you can always customize them later to match your workflow. Inside your base, create a table dedicated to your tasks. Think of a table like a sheet where every row is a task, and every column is a piece of information about that task. Give the table a clear name so it's easy to find, especially if you plan to add more tables in the future. Next, set up the key fields you'll use. Make the primary field your task name so each row has a clear title. Add a status field to track progress, a due date field to keep deadlines visible, and a priority field to highlight what matters most. Choosing the right field types helps a lot. Use a single select for status with options like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Use a date field for due dates, and a single select for priority so you can color code levels like high, medium, and low. Now, start entering your tasks as records. Add each task on its own row, fill in the status, pick a due date, and set a priority. Keep task names concise and action-oriented so you can scan the table quickly. If tasks need ownership, assign them to yourself or collaborators using the assignee column in your table. Clear ownership reduces confusion and makes follow-ups much easier. As your list grows, organize it with filters, sorting, or grouped views. Filter to see only tasks that are open or due this week. Sort by due date so approaching deadlines rise to the top. Group by status to visualize what's in each stage at a glance. For visual tracking, switch to Calendar View to see tasks laid out by date, or try Kanban View to move cards from To Do to Done. These views make progress more tangible and help you spot bottlenecks. Keep your table up to date as work progresses. Change statuses, adjust dates if timelines shift, and update priorities when plans evolve. Finally, review your task list regularly. Do a quick daily scan and a deeper weekly check-in to close completed items and keep upcoming work aligned with your goals.